Honestly, what Nigeria is doing to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is very bad and it's not acceptable. I want you to watch the video and see what they have done to this young man. Please don't forget, share this video on social media platform, share with your friends and loved ones. God bless you to do so. Watch this video.
The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, is back at the Federal High Court, Abuja, for the case of alleged terrorism instituted against him by the federal government. He's received by his lawyers and family. Mr. Kanu's trial was told after Justice Nyako recused herself from the case following an oral application by the defendant on September 24, 2024. At the resumed hearing, Justice Nyako explained that although she does not want to preside over the case, the chief judge had refused her recusal and directed the defendant to file a formal motion asking for the reassignment of the case to another judge. Addressing the judge, Mr. Kanu said he does not recognize the authority of the court. The IPOP leader said he was only in court because of the respect he had for the court, adding that Justice Nyako no longer had the jurisdiction to preside over his case following her recusal in September. In his submission, the prosecution counsel urged the court to fix a date for trial, since the defendant had indicated that he would not make a formal application. In her ruling, Justice Binta Nyako said the only decision is to adjourn the case indefinitely, though Mr. Kanu raised objection. However, she adjourned the case indefinitely.
An old man like this doesn't know the law.
Shortly after the court proceeding, Mr. Kanu and his lawyers speak on the issues surrounding the case.
The prosecution and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact. Yes. Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyako what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it.
So we came here today on a limited appearance. We appeared under protest out of utmost respect for the judge and for the court, to listen to the court as to the reasons why we were invited before the same court that was recused in September last year.
One of his lawyers pleaded with the federal government to be fair and release him, as has been done with other agitators.
Nnamdi Kanu is feeling that Nigeria is not fair to him. He's just a human rights activist agitating for self-determination with reasons.
Now that the case of Nnamdi Kanu has been adjourned indefinitely, many Nigerians are waiting to see how it will play out whenever the case comes up again in court. From the Federal High Court, Abuja, Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.
I'm sure you have watched the video. Court have adjourned Mazen Nnamdi Kanu case again, this time indefinitely. This is very bad. This is very bad. But before I say anything, I want us to just hear and listen to what other Nigerians are saying concerning this. Just listen to comments. See comments, see what people are saying. But the funny thing is that regardless of what the people are going to say, these politicians don't care. They don't care. That is why when I say pray, it's like I'm wasting my time. I'm telling you that some things we cannot achieve it without prayer. Look at this person say, is adjourning a case indefinitely a rule of law? What could be there to shy away from enacting judgment on any issue once both parties have listened to? This person is asking this question now, but the funny thing is that this question right now does not have an answer. The reason why I say that it does not have an answer is because the people that are supposed to answer it will not answer it. So it does not have an answer. It is only you and I that can answer this question. And even though we give our own answer, our answer is not relevant. Our opinion, they don't count it. If we have protested, we have done everything. Nothing is changing in the country. Nothing. So is it this Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? Even though you ask this question from now to tomorrow, nothing concerns them. What they have said is what they have said. The path they have decided to go to pass through, that is the path they are taking. It is very bad. It is very bad. This way they say it's wrong to adjourn a court matter indefinitely while keeping the person in your custody. You should grant bail before doing all that. You have no right to waste people's time like that. This person is talking like he's not from Nigeria. They can keep you there 30 years and not even talk about your case. They will keep adjoining. Something that started with Buhari. Tinubu is here. They are adjoining. Next year is 2026. 2027, Tinubu's tenure will complete 4 years. He may even be there, another president to come. Somebody said something that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu cannot be released without condition. And gradually, I'm believing that person. There is something they want him to do that he is refusing to do. And I think if he does that, he would have betrayed Biafra. Let me not say anything. This one said Nnamdi Kanu is not feeling that Nigeria has been unfair to him. Like that lawyer said, Nigeria has actually been unfair to him. Let's not get it mixed up. Actually, Nigeria has not been fair to that man. If you have been following me on this channel, you will know that I have been saying it. I personally don't know why they are holding that man there. I don't even know why they arrested him in the first place. I don't know why. But this is Nigeria. This person said DSS and Tinubu release our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, no going back until Biafra come. Okay? This person says self-determination is not terrorism. Where are all those people shouting stop it at home? You see the reason why it has to be intensified. Injustice to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is injustice to all Igbos. This one says shame on Nigeria. This one says whatever happens, Biafra is sure banker. The earlier you brand envelope media house in Nigeria embrace this fact, the better. Nigeria don't need peace. Let's take action to our freedom now. Please, this one I will not agree. Anything that is going to threaten the peace of this country, I beg you, don't do it. Nobody should cause war in the country. Let us go to God in prayer. I know that this one we may not like it, but please let us do well to pray. This one say this is injustice and bias. This handsome man is innocent. Why holding him on hostage for no reason? Boko Haram terrorists that destroy lives and properties were granted amnesty program. Shame on Nigeria government and Nigeria judiciary. You all will reap what you have sown. Yeah, this takes us back to what Buhari did. Boko Haram people and Fulani herdsmen that were killing people and terrorizing people, they granted them bail and amnesty. But they have decided to hold this man. In fact, let me stop reading. If you keep reading, you see that comment joke. People are not happy, but what can we do? This is Nigeria. We live in Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do it to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post another video, you'll be notified. If you turn subscriber, I want to say thank you to you. Thank you for stopping by to watch our video. We love and appreciate the support you give us on this channel. May God bless you. May God reward you in the name of Jesus. Please don't forget, share the video on social media platforms, share with your friends and loved ones. God bless us to do so. I'll see you in the next one. You are blessed.